Hello my dear friends and welcome back to a portrait painting masterclass. My name is Nick, this is my art channel, and today we are going to talk about failure. I want to share my story with you because this topic is really very important. Unfortunately, when it comes to art, failure is something that inevitably accompanies us on our journey. And the sooner we understand this, the easier it will be for us to learn how to deal with it. In every work, there is an awkward stage when the painting looks so disgusting and ugly that it is difficult to even force yourself to continue working on it. Moreover, sometimes it is even difficult to look at it, so unpleasant and disappointing it is. I myself experienced this feeling very often, and each time it is very difficult for me to continue. Every time I look at a pile of paint strokes on the canvas, I feel an overwhelming desire to give up and quit. Sometimes I can't bring myself to overcome this feeling and put off work indefinitely. Then, when I return to it and finish it, it often turns out very well, which confirms my belief that when you think you have completely ruined your work, don't rush to give up on it. Don't rush to give up. Just take a break, make yourself a cup of tea or coffee, maybe go for a walk, and then return to the studio and continue working. In the previous video, when I showed the stage of working with titanium white, the image looked great, but when I started working with the main color layer, problems began. Usually, when working with skin tones, I try to use simple combinations of basic pigments: yellow ochre, cadmium red, burnt sienna, burnt umber, and of course titanium white. But this time something went wrong. I mixed some strange muddy color that immediately killed all the life in the portrait. Of course I was very upset. It seems to me that the portrait was doomed. I didn't even want to publish this video because honestly I was simply ashamed to share such an ugly work. But what is the secret? The secret is that we all make mistakes. Me, you, Leonardo da Vinci, Caravaggio, Raffaello Sanzio, everybody does mistakes. It doesn't matter that we make mistakes. What matters is that we don't give up and despite all the failures, continue to move forward. So I decided to publish this video anyway, in order to perhaps inspire you and motivate you not to give up, and to treat mistakes simply as an integral part of the creative process. Returning to the topic of portrait painting, I want to say that there is a wonderful technique in oil painting called glazing. And this is the technique that will help me correct what I don't like in the next stage. There is a huge advantage to working with oil. It tolerates mistakes. Oil painting can be endlessly corrected and improved, and we will do this in the next video. In the meantime, you can finish watching this episode, and if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer them all.